ما اتخذ الله من ولد وما كان معه من إله إذا لذهب كل إله بما خلق ولعلى بعضهم على بعض سبحان الله عما يصفون.
Never did Allah take unto himself any son, nor is there any God other than he. Had there been any other gods, each God would have taken his creatures away with him, and each would have rushed to overpower the other. Glory be to Allah from all that they characterize him with.
عالم الغيب والشهادة فتعالى عما يشركون.
He knows both what is visible and what is not visible. Exalted is Allah above all that they associate with him.
قل رب إما تريني ما يوعدون.
Pray, O Muhammad, my Lord, if you should bring the scourge of which they had been warned in my presence,
رب فلا تجعلني في القوم الظالمين.
Then do not include me, my Lord, among these wrongdoing people.
وإنا على أن نريك ما نعدهم لقادرون.
Surely we are able to show you what we warn them against.
ادفع بالتي هي أحسن السيئة نحن أعلم بما يصفون.
O Muhammad, repel evil in the best manner. We are well aware of all that they say about you.
وقل رب أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين.
And pray, my Lord, I seek your refuge from the suggestions of the evil ones.
وأعوذ بك رب أن يحضرون.
I even seek your refuge, my Lord, lest they should approach me.
حتى إذا جاء أحدهم الموت قال رب ارجعون.
They shall persist in their deeds until when death comes to any one of them, he will say, My Lord, send me back to the world.
لعلي أعمل صالحا فيما تركت كلا إنها كلمة هو قائلها ومن ورائهم برزخ إلى يوم يبعثون.
That I have left behind, I am likely to do good. Nay, it is merely a word that he is uttering. There is a barrier behind all of them who are dead until the day when they will be raised up.
فإذا نفخ في الصور فلا أنساب بينهم يومئذ ولا يتساءلون.
And then no sooner the trumpet is blown than there will remain no kinship among them that day, nor will they ask one another.
فمن ثقلت موازينه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
It will be an hour when those whose scales are heavy, they alone will attain success.
ومن خفت موازينه فأولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم في جهنم خالدون.
And those whose scales are light, those will be the ones who will have courted loss. They will abide in hell.
تلفح وجوههم النار وهم فيها كالحون.
The fire shall scorch their faces, exposing their jaws.
ألم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فكنتم بها تكذبون.
Are you not those to whom my revelations were recited, and you dubbed them as lies?
قالوا ربنا غلبت علينا شقوتنا وكنا قوما ضالين.
They will say, Our Lord, our misfortune prevailed over us. We were indeed an erring people.
ربنا أخرجنا منها فإن عدنا فإنا ظالمون.
Our Lord, take us out of this, then if we revert to evil-doing, we shall indeed be wrongdoers.
قال اخسئوا فيها ولا تكلمون.
Allah will say, Away from me, stay where you are, and do not address me.
إنه كان فريق من عبادي يقولون ربنا آمنا فاغفر لنا وارحمنا وأنت خير الراحمين.
You are those that when a party of my servants said, Our Lord, we believe, so forgive us and have mercy on us, for you are the best of those that are merciful.
فاتخذتموهم سخريا حتى أنسوكم ذكري وكنتم منهم تضحكون.
You made a laughing stock of them, and your hostility to them caused you to forget me, and you simply kept laughing.
إني جزيتهم اليوم بما صبروا أنهم هم الفائزون.
Lo, I have rewarded them this day for their steadfastness, so that they, and they alone, are triumphant.
قال كم لبثتم في الأرض عدد سنين.
Then Allah will ask them, For how many years did you stay on earth?
قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم فاسأل العادين.
They will say, We stayed for a day or part of a day. Ask of those who keep count of this.
قال إن لبثتم إلا قليلا لو أنكم كنتم تعلمون.
He will say, You stayed only for a while, if you only knew that.
أفحسبتم أنما خلقناكم عبثا وأنكم إلينا لا ترجعون.
Did you imagine that we created you without any purpose, and that you will not be brought back to us?
فتعالى الله الملك الحق لا إله إلا هو رب العرش الكريم.
So exalted be Allah, the true King. There's no God but He, the Lord of the great throne.
ومن يدع مع الله إلها آخر لا برهان له به فإنما حسابه عند ربه إنه لا يفلح الكافرون.
He who invokes any other God along with Allah, one for whom he has no evidence, his reckoning is with his Lord alone. Indeed, these unbelievers shall not prosper.
وقل رب اغفر وارحم وأنت خير الراحمين.
And say, O Muhammad, My Lord, forgive us and have mercy on us, for you are the best of those that are merciful.